it's me, Caillou. And today I'm going to launch Rosie with a firework. Ha 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 ha.
Come on, Caillou. Come meet us outside.
Okay, I'm coming, Dad.
Okay, Caillou and Rosie. Me and Mom are going to find the sparklers. Caillou, can you watch Rosie for me, please?
Okay, I will watch Rosie.
Good. We will be right back.
Hey, Rosie, do you want me to show you something really cool?
Okay, what do you want to show me?
Follow me. Do you see that firework, Rosie?
Yeah, I see it.
Can you stand next to it for me?
Okay. Okay, what now? Caillou, what are you doing?
Have a nice fly, Rosie.
Wait, what?
Cool. That was so cool and funny.
Caillou.
Oh crap, it's my parents.
Caillou, did you just launch your own sister Rosie with a firework?
Oh, mama. Yes, I did.
Rosie with a firework. That's it. You are grounded for 1,000,000 years. You will never watch the fireworks with us ever again. Go inside to the house and go to your room now.
All right, everyone. Let's go watch the fireworks together with our Caillou.